In the ancient wisdom of India, plants have always been more than just sources of food or medicine. They are living beings with intelligence, awareness, and the ability to interact with humans on physical, emotional, and spiritual levels. Anantmul, also known as Hemidesmus indicus or Indian sarsaparilla, is one such root that has been celebrated for centuries. As a karmic purifier, genetic resetter, and consciousness healer, modern science now intersects with this ancient wisdom. Artificial intelligence, quantum biology, and neuroscience are revealing the hidden patterns in human health, genes, and consciousness, many of which have been tapestried into Ayurvedic herbs like Anantmul. Anantmul has been mentioned in several Vedic texts, including the Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, where it is described as a rasayana herb, one that promotes longevity, purity, and spiritual clarity. It was used to cleanse the blood, strengthen reproductive health, and remove ancestral or karmic burdens. Traditional practices involved preparing Anantmul as a decoction, mixed with milk or ghee, and offered during rituals to balance energies. The root's sweet and bitter taste was believed to align Pitta and Vata doshas, cool the body, and calm the mind. Modern science has identified key phytochemicals in Anantmul, including saponins, glycosides, and tannins, which have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune modulatory properties. Research shows that these compounds support DNA repair, reduce oxidative stress, and promote cellular health. Artificial intelligence provides tools to map and understand the complex interactions between plant biochemistry and human biology. Using machine learning, researchers can predict how Anantmul interacts with individual genomes, identify optimal dosages, and study its impact on long-term health outcomes. AI models can also track neurological and emotional responses to Anantmul, helping us understand its effect on consciousness, memory, and dream states. This is where ancient wisdom and modern technology meet, creating a holistic framework for healing. Case 1. A child with autoimmune rashes experienced significant improvement after taking Anantmul decoction daily for 3 months. Case 2. A woman struggling with nightmares and ancestral trauma found relief through Anantmul water used in rituals. Case 3. An elderly man using Anantmul and daily breathing practices reported improved vitality and cognitive clarity. When we speak about the healing power of Anantmul, we must move beyond the botanical roots, beyond the chemical constituents, and enter the subtle dimension of the quantum field. Anantmul, with its deep roots penetrating the earth, becomes a medicinal symbol of this connection between the visible and the invisible. Every cell in our body contains DNA, a blueprint carrying the story of millions of years of evolution. Yet, this script is not fixed. Ayurveda recognized this long before modern epigenetics did. The idea of bija dosha is essentially the Ayurvedic equivalent of genetic mutation or epigenetic damage. If we reflect on how AI processes memory, we find an interesting mirror. Machine learning models store weights, connections, and patterns, which can be reset, retrained, or optimized. Anantmul enters this circuit like an algorithm that clears the cache, detoxifies toxic patterns, and optimizes memory recall. Anantmul is not just a medicinal root. It is a sacred plant used in rituals to remove negativity. In Vedic households, a decoction of Anantmul was offered during marriages and initiations. Bathing with Anantmul water was believed to remove curses and emotional blockages. Imagine an AI system trained not only on modern science, but also on Vedic texts, rituals, and plant wisdom. Such an AI could become a digital shaman, able to suggest personalized Anantmul protocols based on genetic data, emotional state, and karmic patterns. Roots represent the unseen, the invisible force that nourishes life. Anantmul reminds us that healing requires us to go deeper, to the soil of our being. It is closely linked to the Anahata, heart chakra. Its sweet, cooling qualities soften the heart, open the doors of compassion, and dissolve past grievances. In the coming years, AI systems will scan genomes for vulnerabilities, recommend herbal protocols including Anantmul, track healing via wearables, and connect users with traditional rituals. This integration represents the future of personalized, holistic healthcare. For more insights on AI, plant intelligence, and ancient wisdom, visit Professor Diaries. Subscribe to our channel to explore holistic health, spiritual healing, and cutting-edge science together. Join our community to learn practical rituals, herbal protocols, and AI-enhanced consciousness tools. This narrative is for educational, research, and spiritual exploration purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any herbal or medical protocol.